Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain seems to be waking up exactly where it needed to in our yellow support area, trend reversal area. You will remember that we started to look for a lasting low here this week. No, last week it was actually now. After having an ABC structure pretty much complete. And now it could be turning around, okay? But yes, it broke now to the upside of this descending wedge. That looks good. If it can maintain that, you would typically say the very first target that you're aiming for is the beginning of the wedge, and that will actually be up here. But we have resistances very well defined. Next resistance is 1.9 cents. Then we've got here the next resistance area around 2 cents, then 2.03, and then 2.12. So it could now be in a third wave rally. It's a bit too early to really confirm that, but it's starting to look good. You know, in the end, we will only know afterwards, but the point is it turned around where it needed to in the trend reversal area, and it just needs to maintain that. However, I really only believe that we have bottomed if price breaks above the wave 4. I mean, that would be only a first early indication, right? But it needs to break above that level, 1.902 cents, okay? Then it could rally higher to the wave 2 high next, and things are looking good. What would be a target for the third wave? I mean, if this now works out and a lot of the altcoins are waking up where they need to, which is good, roughly the target for the third wave would be around 3 cents, yeah, minimum target. And then we should ideally see a wave 4 and a wave 5. I don't know if you're following the Rune chart. Rune is basically already here. If we then get a higher low and a higher high, yeah, I mean, again, some altcoins are waking up. We had Fetch AI waking up as well. And looking at the microstructure, I mean, this is hard to say, you know, we don't have enough price information to really put a reliable, something reliable on here. But maybe this is another smaller 1-2 setup, yeah, and we're now in a third wave or something, but it's too early to say. This doesn't give us enough price information to indicate where we are, but it doesn't matter, because what really matters is, can we break above the next resistances? And it matters that we turned around where we needed to. So if anybody entered in these boxes, yeah, also here on the VeChain chart, you just need to manage risk now. Don't forget to take profits along the way, because with altcoins, the setups regularly break. It's just what they do, because altcoins are less reliable. So it's really just all about identifying reward and risk, and then taking profits as the market makes it available, and stopping out if the market shows us that we need to be more careful, okay? So yeah, it gave you the next resistances. What is important to say is, okay, how long or when is this likely going to break down? What is the level I need to be watching? So what is bullish support for continuation? A very simple method of determining that if the micro count is rather uncertain is the 50% retracement. So as long as we're holding above 1.81 cents, I think this can push higher. The 1.81 cent would be a first warning that it loses momentum. So pay attention to that level. And then it's all about, okay, let's see if we can get to those targets. A bit of a wait and see risk management now, but it's starting to look interesting. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.